Welcome back to another adequate unboxing video. Today we have the Star Wars watch band. It should fit my watch, my Apple Watch, which I'm not wearing right now, but that's another video on the channel if you want to go check that out. It's it's high grade silicone, so that's never want mid grade silicone or low grade. I guess Disney also. So Star Wars and Disney. Whoa. Okay, this is the Rebel Edition. Easy install and removal. We'll see about that. Soft touch silicone. Soft touch silicone. I thought I got the high grade. High grade. Okay. Fits most wrists. Alright. Oh, look at this little MobyFox sync. So this is a Star Wars Disney MobyFox recycling product. Let's open it up. Oh. There we go, almost there. Yep. Whoa. Got it though. Okay. Nice. Ooh. I think, yeah, that's empty. Should be a quick little slice, but give me trouble. It's good quality tape on there. Under, and then flip it. Hey, that worked. Wow, look at this. It's got the it's got a bird. So let's try this shorter one. All right, let me get my watch. So let's take this apart. Yeah. Yeah, I can see that is soft grade high silicone. We got Lucasfilm. Gosh, man, so many brands collaborated on this one. It's incredible. Just slot that in there. Dang it. Alright, that's one side. Alright, whoa, look at this. Alright, let's try it on. And yeah, that's a much better length. This would have been way too long. There we have it. I wouldn't say it fits most wrists, but it's not too bad of a fit. But I really like the look. So this is the Star Wars, Lucasfilm, MobyFox, Disney, Rebel Alliance watch strap band. Apple. Thanks.